And as the snowstorm barrels toward Pennsylvania, crews across the state are racing the clock. In Lancaster, an organization there is working overtime to make sure that seniors who may be snowed in don't go without food. Fox 43's Natalie Caranda shows us how they are preparing.
With a major snowstorm expected to hit Pennsylvania this weekend, time is everything inside this Lancaster kitchen.
So I don't recall there being a snow quite this large in that time frame. I think this is new. This is a first.
Meals on Wheels of Lancaster is working overtime, preparing extra meals now before weather impacts deliveries next week.
We were fortunate to have a little bit of extra product in this situation in such a short period of time to plan for this.
Those extra meals are headed to seniors who already struggle to leave their homes. The group's priority is safety for both clients and volunteers.
It's always scary and daunting, especially for our clients who already have a challenging time getting out of their homes, going to a grocery store to get the resources that they need. So we really want to do what we can to be proactive.
All right.
Inside the kitchen, volunteers are prepping and packing 100 extra meals for clients that need it most.
It'll be not a hodgepodge, but a couple of different products that we'll send out. We're just more concentrated on making sure they get the nourishment.
They say each meal is handmade to provide dignity, but also a balance of good flavor and nutritional value.
And how long will this soup be good in the fridge for?
We label everything on a 5-day cycle. That is by the Office of Aging. Yeah.
Let me introduce you.
The group will deliver those extra meals on Friday.
We will serve probably about 400 clients tomorrow.
Yeah, it's going to be busy for the delivery guys tomorrow.
Natalie Caranda, Fox 43 News.